Jesus heals 10 lepers. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals 10 lepers, found in Luke chapter 17 verses 11 to 19. This story reveals the power of faith, healing, and the importance of gratitude. As Jesus was traveling to Jerusalem, he entered a village on the border of Samaria and Galilee. There, 10 men with leprosy stood at a distance because they were considered unclean. They cried out, "Jesus, Master, have mercy on us." Instead of touching them, Jesus said, "Go, show yourselves to the priests." As they obeyed and walked toward the priests, they were healed. Only one of the 10 men returned to thank Jesus. He fell at Jesus' feet and thanked him. This man was a Samaritan, someone the Jews often looked down upon. Jesus asked, "Were not all 10 cleansed? Where are the other 9? Then Jesus said, "Rise and go. Your faith has made you well." The story of Jesus heals 10 lepers teaches us important lessons about faith, obedience, and gratitude. First lesson: faith in Jesus leads to healing. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 6, "Without faith, it is impossible to please God." The 10 lepers obeyed Jesus before they saw their healing. Their faith brought them restoration. Second lesson: gratitude is the right response to God's blessings. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 18, "Give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus." Only 1 out of 10 returned to thank Jesus. Gratitude shows a heart that truly values God's work. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, faith in Jesus leads to healing and restoration. Third, obedience comes before the miracle. Third, a thankful heart honors God. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Do I trust Jesus even before I see the answer to my prayers? 2. Am I quick to thank God for His blessings? 3. How can I develop a heart of gratitude in my daily life? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals 10 lepers teaches us. First lesson: faith in Jesus leads to healing. Second lesson: gratitude is the right response to God's blessings. No matter what challenges we face, Jesus has the power to heal, restore, and bless us. Just as in Jesus heals 10 lepers, we too can experience His power through faith and a thankful heart. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that His power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.